set our Fit execs another challenge. We've given them a series of student-based shopping lists and asked them how much they think it costs. Closest wins.
Okay, so diffusely, I reckon
That,
80p.
yeah.
Okay.
Let's think about how many basic things they are, like
Yeah, but think how like
One
chunky
tea
things there
bags.
are, like the tomato soup.
£13.
£12?
yeah.
12?
Yeah.
What price are you going to say?
£13.
£13.
Oh!
So roast chicken is not free range. I would say like what was 5-6 quid.
Chicken is like
I get the.
3 or 4 pounds.
No, but that's a whole chicken.
Yeah.
That's a large one.
Bisto another quid.
9. Carrots.
Okay. Are you sure that chicken?
I don't. Oh, the chicken.
You just go 12 then.
12, yeah.
12.
Yeah, I think that makes sense.
Chicken.
I think 14 is too high. We're students.
Okay, let's go with 12 then. Oh!
That's a cheap dinner, man.
Yeah.
So I reckon it just roughly about £15 for this. Actually, no.
The diary will already cost like £5-6 pounds.
I think it's gonna be like 20 or something.
Really?
Yeah.
I think.
Mine's
The USB. How many
Oh,
gigabytes
yeah.
is that?
Oh.
What questions?
Quite nice pencils.
Yeah, because it's all like nice quality. It's not like Ryman's own brand, apart from nurseries.
Pouring off.
17?
17.
Okay, we'll go for 17.
Yeah,
20?
let's do that.
20, I think it's gonna be more.
The USB was actually £24.99.
Oh my gosh, what?
Oh there's USB there.
Very similar predicament that we've had in the previous challenge. You both got 2 out of the 3. So once again, there is no winner to this challenge.
Oh!
Well done, guys.
Again.
Woo!